Ready travelers. Ready for All Travel is back and better than ever with a fresh new look. We will continue to bring you great vacation videos, cruise content, travel tips, breaking travel news advisories, and important travel information to help you make informed travel decisions. We're also expanding our content with reaction videos. It'll be covering travel related topics, industry news, and trending stories that matter to all travelers. Now, to keep it real with you, as we always do, this first video isn't a vacation video per se. It's our date night at home video. We are currently preparing for our upcoming trip to Spain in a couple of months. And while I'm still learning the process of creating reaction videos, I wanted to share something a little different. So I decided to record our dinner night at home and bring you along with us. Check it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know. Excuse me. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know what you think. We did a hot pot and theme dinner night. Mhm. Obviously, it's kind of hard to record and prep at the same time. But like I say, it was a fun night though, or evening, because it hadn't got quite dark yet. So we decided to do it at that particular time. Plus, it was like 90 degrees outside. Those quail eggs, if you haven't had quail eggs before, man, I suggest you give it a try. It's a different taste, but it's something that's unforgettable. It's very delicious. And the fish balls as well. That's the seafood medley. That's basically, like I said, you start on the list: octopus, calamari, mussels, shrimp. And chicken was good too. It's seasoned with Asian spices. Not those; those are the dipping sauces. You can just get at the store, Amazon, Walmart, or wherever you're at. It's just dipping sauce, but the seasoning is you can get that on Amazon as well, I guess, or the grocery. You can tell how the fish balls have soaked up most of the juice, how fat they've got. Oh my goodness, full of flavor. Oysters, scallops. All that juice. Mm, there you go. You can add alcohol to it if you want, but ours is alcohol free. Very, very high. All right. So that was our dinner night. So I hope everything was, everything was good, but I just hope you guys enjoyed it, okay? But like, that's what Ready for All Travel is all about. We share everything, amongst our community. And like I said, I just hope you guys enjoyed it, okay? So thank you for your continued support as we grow and improve. Stay tuned. There's a lot more exciting content on the way. Adventure awaits. Let's make it unforgettable. We're ready for all travel. And as always, I know you guys missed that right there, so I'm gonna do it again for you. And as always, you know what? I feel so good inside. Ready, travelers, we are back. So I'm gonna give it to you one last time. And as always, may your path be clear, your sails steady, and your ventures extraordinary. from all of us at Ready for All Travel. Oh, and by the way, I'm working on 3 travel packages right now as we speak. So may you oh, see, I done forgot just that quick, y'all. I apologize because it's been a while. It's been a while. May your path be clear, your sails steady, and your ventures extraordinary. From all of us at Ready for All Travels, cheers.